delete the start cube and then import the FBX that you downloaded from Mixamo, the peasant farmer salsa dancing. If you imported from Mixamo prior to last year, 2022, you would have found the bones were orientated wrongly, and you'd have had problems posing it later, but they seem to have fixed that. If you show a wireframe, you'll be able to see the number of polygons and vertices, and if you add a subdivision modifier, you can see how the angular positions on its nose corners can be smoothed out quite nicely, and you see there's a lot of extra detail created by normal maps and specular maps. And then if you delete that and import Lola climbing up the wall, imported from Mixamo, change the number of frames for the repeat again. This is a much higher resolution model. It's still it's still a low res model, but it's higher than the peasant farmer. Now if you add a subdivision, it nicely smooths out. It works better than with the subdivision than the peasant farmer, and they're still both efficient models. But as you use the higher resolution, it slows the animation down quite significantly, and it would be even more if you subdivided it another level. Now we're going to import the sculpted model. Again, this is the one that you used in the previous chapter. So we'll import it and then export it as an FBX. You have to make sure you copy the textures and include them in the file using that little cryptic button at the side. Clear the scene again and re-import it. Import FBX. You notice I accidentally exported the camera and light because I didn't click only export the selected objects. Something to watch out for. And now we just check that the armature seems to work approximately. We'll see how to actually make a proper remeshed, retopoed object subsequent chapters, but it kind of shows you that it kind of copes. However, the normal and the specular textures haven't worked properly, so that's a deficiency with the whole system.